Carl's car uses a gallon of gas every 35 miles, and his gas tank holds 14 gallons when it is completely full. One day, Carl started with a full tank of gas, drove 350 miles, bought 8 gallons of gas, and continued driving to his destination. When he arrived, his gas tank was half full. How many miles did Carl drive that day? So, let's write this out. 1 gallon of gas is 35 miles. So we can write that as a ratio. Gallons to miles is equal to 1 to 35. And then his gas tank holds 14 gallons when it's full, and he started on that. So he drove 350 miles plus something else. So it's going to come later in the question. It says he bought 8 gallons of gas, continued to drive to his destination, and when he arrived, his gas tank was half full. So when he arrived, his gas tank was half of 14, which is going to be 7. Okay? So after he started with the full tank of gas, he drove 350 miles, right? So if he did do 350 miles, that means he used 10 gallons of his gas. If it was full, it was 14 minus those 10 gallons to get 4 gallons left. Then he bought 8 gallons, so it'd be 8 plus 4 gallons, which is 12. And he continued to drive. So it says when he got there, his gas tank was half full, which is 7. So if it was 7, it would be 12 minus 7, which is 5. So therefore, if he used, that means he used 5 gallons of gas after this 350 miles. So if we do, this is 5, we're multiplying 35 times 5, which is 175. So when we add 175 plus 350, we get 525 miles, which is letter A.